is done.
Hey guys, welcome to Legoland, and this is Legoland. Hey guys, this is me and my friend Emmett. We're best friends right here. Hey guys. See guys, this is Emmett from Legoland. Look how cool it is. Super cool. We also got Wild Style over here. But Emmett, the texture is very nice though. Hey guys, over here we get this amazing minifigure. We get the bird. The bird's like, yeah boys, let's do this. Very cool minifigure. We got, I don't know what this is called, like I forgot, but it's very cool. See guys, over here we got all these amazing cool sets. We got Minecraft over here. This is the Lego factory. We got very good sets. Over here we got an R2D2. This must be like very expensive. Over here we got Donald Duck. We got everything. Humongous sets, robots, so much more. It's like a Lego shop. We have very cool buildings, sets, toys, minifigures, backpacks, and merchandise. Hey guys, this is Who Are You? I'm up in my hand. That's me. Yo, hey guys. Here's Batman. I am Batman. Very cool, guys. It's very cool. Over here, we got Robin, guys. We got Robin. Hey, Robin. Yeah, boy. I'm like, guys. Also here we got the Egyptian. I don't know what this is called, but I believe this is the Luxor. They got humongous buildings. Very cool. Also guys, I want to show you something. See guys, we got a train right here. Choo-choo! So yeah, there's hotels, water, theme parks, roller coasters, 4D rides, mocks, builds, Legos. There's everything at Legoland. And the food here is amazing. Hi guys, I'm gonna build something. Over here we got all the nice Legos. I'm gonna try to build a roller coaster.
Aquí venga, tengo sombrero, va.
So far,
Right
the
now, since they say I'm okay with this, I got to be comfortable wearing a mask. What you say the other place is called?
Okay guys, so far I built this. It looks very cool. So technically it will go like this. Wow, it looks very cool. We also got lamp. Looks very cool, guys. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. So far, it looks very cool. Okay, guys, I'm almost finished. My own mini Legoland. And over here, guys, is the world. We got all different stuff. Bye, guys. Hey guys, look at this. We're at the park at Legoland. Look at these cool stuff. Let's see what else we got. We got like this, who knows how long it is. But this boat is like about, I'll say like about 5 feet. Over here we got the circus. And over there too. It's super fun. Whoa, we got this humongous building right there. I'll say that's about taller than, yeah, it's taller than me. Over here we got tiny cars and stuff. Yeah, Legoland is super amazing, guys. We got a whole Lego city. Imagine having this and keeping it in your house. It's super beautiful. Over here we got cars, towns. I went on a few rides. Over here we got, oh, over here's the California Golden Bridge. It's super nice, as you can see. Very cool. Over there we got more buildings. And over here we got this like a bridge. Wow, we got amazing Legos, guys.
If you push the button, they move.
Also, guys, this moves like if you push a button. See? Very cool. These are some impressive. We got the, I believe that's the White House. Wow, these buildings are actually like about halfway through the trees. And everyone knows like about little trees are like 20 feet high. So I say this is 15 feet high. We got houses. Kind of looks like houses from the UK. But we got a bunch. This is Legoland. Full of Legos, guys. We got buildings. We got more over there. I don't know what the building is. Oh yeah, it's off Hollywood. They put Legowood. Over here, we got buildings. We got the orchestra, like a music concert. Over here, and it actually puts sounds. It does sounds. We got the Statue of Liberty. These buildings are pretty high. Pretty high building, guys. We also got this, guys. Just by pressing a button, and you can make a move again. We got a bunch of stuff over here. We got humongous buildings, more buildings. Hey guys, look at this. Very cool. We got the dragon, we got this Lego. Very nice set. And this one too. Yeah, this is Legoland. Welcome to Legoland.